welcome to my channel. I am Vishnu Priya, biology faculty. In this session, I am going to teach about breathing and exchange of gases. In that, introduction about this lesson, what is breathing, types of respiration, respiratory organs. Students already you know very well, during digestion, energy is released from the food in the form of glucose, amino acids and fatty acids. So these glucose, amino acids and fatty acids are absorbed by the small intestine and it reaches to the each and every cell through the bloodstream. So in the cell, the cellular respiration is taking place. That is oxidation process. So because of oxidation, energy is released from the glucose, amino acids and fatty acids. By which process? Means oxidation process. Here, for oxidation process, oxygen is necessary. From where the cell get the oxygen means by the process called respiration. Now, I am going to define the term breathing. So, breathing is the process of exchange of oxygen from the atmosphere with carbon dioxide produced by the cell is called breathing. So commonly known as respiration. So respiration, the general definition, inhalation and exhalation of air is called respiration. So these respiration are of three types. Number one is external respiration. Number two, internal respiration. Number three, cellular respiration. Now here external respiration. So external respiration involves inhalation and exhalation of air. That means intake of oxygen and release of carbon dioxide is called external respiration. Next, coming to that, internal respiration. In internal respiration, exchange of gases between the blood and blood cells is called internal respiration. The next one is cellular respiration. So, cellular respiration involves the exchange of gases between the blood and cell is called cellular respiration. This cellular respiration again divided into two types based on the availability of the oxygen. Number one is aerobic respiration and number two is anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration means in the presence of oxygen, respiration done means that is called as aerobic respiration. Example, oxidation of glucose. Now only we discussed the glucose breaking down and release the energy in the presence of oxygen. So that is a good example for the aerobic respiration. Coming to anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration means in the absence of oxygen, if the respiration taking place means that is called as a anaerobic respiration. Example, fermentation process. Students, now I am going to teach about respiratory organs. Respiration done with the help of respiratory organs. But all the organisms are not having the same respiratory organs based on the habitat of the organism and levels of organization. For example, see here lower invertebrates. In that lower invertebrates, sponges, coelenterate and flatworms. In that, respiration done with the help of body surface by the process called simple diffusion. You know very well diffusion. Okay, from higher concentration to lower concentration the air will enter. So that is the process simple diffusion taking place in the lower invertebrates. Example, sponges, coelenterates, flatworms and etc. Next, earthworms. In earthworms, the exchange of gases taking place with the help of moist cuticle. The next one is insects. In insects, have a network of tubules are present. That network of tubules we called as a tracheal tubules. With the help of tracheal tubules, the exchange of gases is taking place. The next, most of the aquatic arthropods and molluscans. In that, A special vascularized tissues are present. That special vascularized tissues are called gills. With the help of that gills, the exchange of gases is taking place. In vertebrates, there are the three major respiratory structures are there. Example, in fishes, the respiration done with the help of gills. Next, amphibians. In amphibians, there are two types of respiration is taking place. Number one is integumentary respiration or cutaneous respiration. Number two, lung respiration. That means if the animal present in the water, that time the respiration done with the help of skin. And at the same time, if the animals live on land, that time the respiration done with the help of lungs. Then next example, human beings. In human beings, the respiration done with the help of lungs. Student, next session I am going to teach about human respiratory system. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get more updates.